The size of parts that we have in our network can be as small as a dime and as big as a 6-foot gas tank. And everywhere in between. There's no building stretchers in our industries. When you get into a building, you're limited on the four-wall space, and that's one of the things that we had to overcome. Our CEO, now chairman, had a vision that he wanted to see how we can take automation to the next level. This particular building is a perfect example of why automation works. We needed the space, we needed the SKU count, and we needed it in one roof.
We take a big box warehouse full of inventory and sort it into either orders for stores or people, and we put that either onto a pallet or a box and then into a truck and deliver it to the location for each of those.
During the implementation phase, I coordinated with our subcontractors, our vendors, make sure that everybody was on the same page and that we were working the schedule.
The partnership with KPI was critical because they needed to understand everything that we did on a day-to-day basis and then also understand what our desires were for future growth. And they took all of those things into consideration when helping us design this building. Our growth is supported by what was initially designed with KPI from the beginning.
It always starts with the robots. That's what everybody likes to see. It's pretty apparent when you walk in the building. You see shelves moving around on their own.
AutoStore, a lot of people say, was founded on the idea of a Rubik's Cube, actually utilizing that cube for storage space. It's beautifully simplistic, an aluminum grid with stacked bins. The way that it's infinitely configurable means it is the absolute best at space utilization within a warehouse.
One of our traditional warehouses, especially one that has the breadth of SKUs that we have here, you might be walking 10 miles a day, whereas here we're able to take away most of the walking that has to be done.
We were able to shrink the footprint requirements for the building down from 3 to 1, but triple the number of SKUs that are in the building too. The Geekplus rack-to-person solution is capable of holding a lot of heavier, bigger parts, 2,200 pounds on a single rack.
We were able to do those kinds of expansions without having to move machinery, with just adding additional stickers on the floor. That's something we couldn't do with a conventional system.
We saw benefits of 6x improvement on throughput. Picking, we saw in AutoStore almost 4x improvement on picking rates.
Of AutoStore, it's really user-friendly. It doesn't take a lot of training.
KPI's Opto AS software provides that interface to the operator, interfacing to AutoStore. It identifies for the operator, what item am I picking out of a bin?
This building and this automation platform is really the basis for new designs that will come up in the future and also changes within our network as it relates to optimization. We never looked at it as a single transaction with KPI.
For Parts Authority, automation's been great. Keep using it. For this building, we have a lot of valuable stuff that's been built here. Let's keep using it.
KPI has always been there as we need them. They've always been available for us to partner with them and utilize their experience and knowledge to help us redefine our business. KPI was the company that we found that helped us take that vision into a reality, and that's where we are today.